Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your dropshipping journey with how to start dropshipping. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without stocking inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. It's a low-risk, cost-effective way to enter e-commerce. Next is, what are the benefits of dropshipping? Dropshipping offers several advantages. You don't need to invest in bulk inventory, reducing upfront costs. It's flexible, allowing you to test different products and niches. Plus, you can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Next is choosing a niche. Selecting the right niche is crucial. Research market trends, competition, and customer demand. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has potential for growth. A well-chosen niche can set you up for success. Next is finding suppliers. Identify reliable suppliers for your chosen products. Platforms like AliExpress and Salehu are great resources. Ensure your chosen suppliers have a track record of delivering quality products on time. And the last one is marketing your business. Marketing is key to attracting customers. Use social media, content marketing, and SEO to drive traffic to your online store. Engage with potential customers and build a strong online presence. Email marketing and paid advertising can also be effective tools. And that's it. You now have a solid understanding of the step-by-step process to begin your dropshipping journey. In conclusion, remember that success in dropshipping comes with dedication and perseverance. Take the knowledge you've gained here and apply it wisely. Don't be discouraged by initial challenges, as they are part of the learning process. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to start dropshipping. See you on my next video.